This is the tutorial for integrated feathers. You could also call them no-sew feathers or built-in feathers. Regardless of what you call them, we are all tired of sewing things on, especially teeny tiny ones. So these are built right onto the body, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Integrated feathers are actually not that complicated. What they're going to be is you're going to build them on the front loop of your work and leave that back loop open so that you can come back around and work into it to keep going on your piece. So here's all we're going to do. Let's just start with some little feathers here. We're going to work in this front loop here, and we're going to single crochet just to hang on, just to give our feather a nice base. And then we're just going to build a feather. Let's make it, 5 chains. That looks good. Or 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So then we're going to single crochet back to our main body along that chain we just made. All right. A little something like this. And then just single crochet into the front loop of the next stitch. Okay. Now, our feather is sitting on this side of the work, and behind it are still the 2 loops right here. 1, 2. The 2 back loops of the stitches we were just working in. All right. So we're going to keep doing that. So let's space these feathers out a little bit. We'll do another one here. And let's do our 4 chains again. 3, 4. And work into that second chain from the hook. And single crochet back down the chain till we get back to the body. And then single crochet in the front loop only of the body. And then do it again. So single crochet, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to single crochet back down the chain. And then single crochet in the front loop of the next stitch. Now, when you're done with your feathers and you need to work smooth again, let's say this guy's only got these 3 feathers on this one side right here. Then you're just going to go back to working in both loops like you would any other piece. So you're going to work in both loops all the way around. And we have our nice little feathers sticking out on this side over here. Okay, so we've come back around to our feathers, and in order for these guys to stay flopping on the outside of the body, but us still be able to keep working on the body, we're going to use those front loops that we left available on the back here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops that we left behind the feathers that now need to be worked into in order for us to keep going. So simply enough, we're just going to go ahead and work single crochets into those back loops. I know, right? It's easier than you thought possible. Then, when you get to the end of your feather, this back loop belongs to this single crochet. So here's the last single crochet we did in a front loop only. You can see it because it's the one that's attached to our feather. Okay? That back loop is right here. We just worked into it. So we don't want to work into this SC or else we will start increasing, and we don't want that to happen. So our next stitch is this stitch right here. So we're going to continue around, single crochet in our way until we get back to our feathers, and then if we want to, we can add some more. Thanks for watching a Hook by Kati tutorial video. Please click subscribe and click that little bell so you get notifications every time I post a new video. And remember to go to hookbykati.com for more patterns, tutorials, and guides to help you improve your art.